So what's up guys? So manibagong video na naman. So samahan nyo ako mag gym gamit tong GoPro natin. So testing natin yung quality. Ayun, testing ko na rin yung stabilization. Okay. Teka, hindi ko pa pala na-share yung pagbili ko ng GoPro. So babiyahe tayo ngayon papuntang Green Hills para bumili ng GoPro. Let's go!
Y'all be pressed, don't stress now. Celebrate the wins and it's on to the next one. Flights that done did it, I be cozy when I'm dressed up. Drip down, they do not compare till I'm sit down. Stand on my business, that's how I'm getting down. Hey, stack it up quick, I'm tryna be safe and sound. No, you not a vibe, yeah, you know I been that guy. Yeah, you know all that shade ain't gon' never block the shine. Yeah, I be shining like I'm posed, be you mine. See me sliding in that old school, yeah, I ain't never asked for no favors, so if you ain't with me now, don't act like you was later. But when I leave, but you still support like the Raiders. So come with me, we gotta get to it, what we wait for. It's that feeling that you can't ignore, and I know when you can count on, I gotta say no more, it's me.
So ayun ang video natin ng pag-purchase natin ng GoPro sa may Green Hills. So let's get back to the video. Dito tayo ngayon sa ano, testing ko na rin yung stabilization. So I'm shooting at super view, flat color. So handheld ko lang yung ano, GoPro. Wala pang selfie stick eh. Yung stabilization niya. Yung stabilization. Dito na tayo. Cut ko muna yung video. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa may gym. Tayo sa CR. Quick tour ulit. Ito yung itsura ng CR. So may shower na may cold and warm shower rin. So may toilet and wash. Siyempre may toilet paper. So yun, papalit muna tayo ng ating gym outfit. Let's go. So yun guys, tapos na tayo magpalit. So ito na. So magpapalit na lang ako ng shoes. Ito yung shoes ko. Ayan. Ayan yung shoes na gagamitin natin. So ayun. Let's go. Warm up guys.
What you mean? I'm the one that never front, I keep it G. I do it like that. And it don't take too much when I'm in my zone. Yeah, I know what you want. I don't ever do too much, you know what I'm on. Feel like we can't do no wrong. I ain't gon' sugarcoat it, I've been feeling like the one. I had the clock and the lock and to get it done. Cause y'all be on the same thing, I had to switch it up. And don't make no comparisons, cause they ain't fit enough. I've been up all and never disappeared in the clutch. Been the coldest, been still a fear when I stunt. So, tell me what's up, it's obvious who the hottest is, don't got a front. A lot of them just be talking, they hard to trust. But I gotta win, keep the family fake it to the fun. And I gotta move, I be like this move, play it cool. Gotta hit the road if you tryna roll, come on through. Gotta take a 92 and some glass on the roof. Got my seat lean back and I'm looking at the moon. Couple woofers in the back, couple in the front too. I already got these slash, baby, all I need is you. Yeah, it's me, what you mean? I'm the one that never front, I keep it G. I do it like that. Too much when I'm in my zone. Yeah, I know what you know. I never do too much, you know what I'm on. Feel like we can't do no wrong.
It don't take too much when I'm in my zone. I know what you know. I never do too much, you know what I'm on. Feel like we can't do no wrong.
And it don't take too much when I'm in my zone. Yeah, I know what you know. I never do too much, you know what I'm on.
Feel like we can't do no wrong.
So yun, katapos na natin mag-workout. So pahinga muna tayo ng 20 minutes before tayo mag-cold shower. Okay, mamaya ulit. Let's go! So yun guys, tapos na tayo pahinga ng 20 minutes. So shower na tayo. Let's go! Tapos na tayo guys. Shower.
What you mean? I'm the one that never front, I keep it G. I do it like that.